This is the OEM front mount intercooler. Look how small is that. This is our upgraded 7.5 Vrsf. This is all the trimming plastic we got out of the front original intercooler, whatever. All these pipes, that plastic. This is all you. Welcome back, you guys. This is a video for our review on the Vrsf from our intercooler. This is the 7.5 stepped race edition. Now, if you could tell, this is for the E60. It fits exactly perfect. Now, whenever you install a from our intercooler from Vrsf, especially if it's the 7 or the 7.5, you have to trim some plastic here and there in order to make it fit perfectly. Now, don't get intimidated by that. It's really easy and simple. All you have to do is lift up the car, and the job is really simple and easy. I will take off the whole bumper out, and I could show you guys what I've done and how we did it, so you could have an idea on how to install the I mean, I have a video installation for that, but if you missed that video, don't worry about it. This is gonna be perfect for you. You're gonna see exactly what I've done and how I did it, and I will tell you exactly the step by step. All right, guys, so after we took the whole bumper out, look at the from our intercooler. This is how high it could get, and this is how low it could get. It matched perfectly. And now, guys, look at the this what included in the kit. It connects to the frame. Don't miss this one out. This is really important. And on the other side, it has another. Let me just zoom in. And as you can see, it fits perfectly on the Bmw E60. And this intercooler, it's a huge plus if you guys, for tune cars like that. If you want to tune your car, this is a requirement, and Vrsf is going to be the perfect to go for. So here, if you can see, here's our trimming. Let me zoom in so you can see better. See the plastic that we cut all the way right here. And so if you can see all the plastic we cut right here, and there too, like inside behind the from our intercooler, we cut some plastic too. And I just cut these in half. See how it extend all the way to the bottom? I cut it so I could manage to fit this somewhere right here. This is where the hose goes. And if we look, this is the clamp right here for the pipe. And then from here, since I have a charge pipe, it's connected to the charge pipe directly. And then here's the clamp, and it goes all the way to the Vrsf intercooler. So next, we want to relocating the engine oil cooler. As you can tell, like, there's no space really on whatever right here. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to pull it all the way behind the intercooler. So here's the plan. I managed to get it all the way behind the from our intercooler, and I'm gonna put it back, and hopefully I don't see any problem. So far it looks pretty okay, so let's see. Alright, so this is how it looks so far. It's right here, that gray little thing. You can hardly see it, is right behind the front mount intercooler. Alright, let's put the things back in and see how it goes. So here we go, done. We're done, guys. It fits perfectly right there behind the intercooler. Managed to get it back. There's no twisting, there's nothing bad for the engine oil, whatever. And yep, and here's the final project. There's a lot of wind noise. I don't know, sorry guys if you hear a lot of noise, wind noise. And here's your from our intercooler Vrsf 7.5 on the Bmw E60. As you can see, it fits perfectly, flawlessly, even when you're installing like a front lip. So here we go. Here's a side look from the side. As you could tell, like it adds a really unique look of the car. There's silver. People could tell that you have, you know, a big intercooler down there. And yeah, that was about it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Is gonna be a review of the downpipe from Vrsf again, and stay tuned for that video. Bye, peace out.